and I'm going to show you how to install MagSavior onto this guy. Okay, so very easy. Uncheck this clip, take out the clip, bring this thing out, put it aside. Okay, here is the adhesive tape. You got to press down a little bit, and you can try use a pen knife and try to peel that off, right? And remember to clean the surface with some alcohol, and then you straighten up this guy, right? Try to get here, and then you gently stick them on. Okay, so apply a little bit force over here. Okay, so you stick them on half of it, right? And then you put it down and apply the other one. Right? This one will be pretty easy. Just glide it and you stick them on. Apply a little bit of force over here, and last of all, the clip. Okay, and the clip, and that's it. And you have yourself a MagSafe and save MagSavior and save the MagSafe. Thank you for watching.